Hello viewers, today I will going to show you how to use Lightshot to take screenshot on Chrome. First open your Chrome browser, then install Lightshot extension on your Chrome browser. I am already installed it. Then click on extension icon and pin it Lightshot. After that you can click here and select your area. After selecting area, you can select full page like that, or you can select a particular portion of this page. After taking screenshot, you can draw box icon here. You can indicate with arrow icon. You can write text on this page, and you can change text color. You can draw line icon here, and you can save it on your local PC. Click save. You can undo any action from here. Click on undo button. You can upload it on drive, cloud drive. Now you can send this link online whatever you want. Thank you.